Second, for our last exercise, Operation Period Briefing, our first group, RT Squared. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. Sige, you may now start.
Good morning, everyone. I am Bianca Maytaglia, the Planning Section Chief. Today, we will be having our operational period briefing for the Rizal earthquake. Kindly turn off your cell phones and radios, keep your conversations to yourself, and keep the noise level down. For the incident objectives, kindly refer to Form ICS 202 of our Incident Action Plan. For current situation update, let us call on our Operations Section Chief, Armina Dote.
Good morning, responders. Situation update as of 1500 on September 16, 2012. Aftershocks are observed in Rizal emergency response are ongoing, 10 reported dead and several missing persons, and at least 200 families were evacuated. Electrical power is still out and utility crews have been requested to work to reestablish power and communications. Damage seems to be moderate to severe in the southern part and eastern portions of Rizal. Central Highways Bridge seems to be undamaged. However, the Main Street Bridge is damaged and out of service. Thank you.
Thank you. For our weather update, let us call on our incident meteorologist, Gilmar Kilala.
Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Ang weather forecast po natin ngayon, nakalabas na po ang bagyong Enteng ng ating monitor sa ating area of responsibility. Pinapayungan pa rin ng ating mga responder magdala ng payong at raincoat sa kanilang operation area. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you. Now for our operational assignment, let us call on once again our Operations Section Chief.
Good morning once again, responders, for the operation assignment. SRR Group, where are you? You are assigned in this area on the southern and eastern part of the Rizal to conduct search and rescue and retrieval of the victims. PT1 provides safety and security of both responders and victims. FF1 to provide assistance or backup personnel for our SRR group as well as to suppress fire once the incident may occur. As for the RET1, you are assigned to provide good communication equipment and reconstruct our telcos back to their function again. Medical group, where are you? As for your assigned area, EMT1 and AMBU1 will be assigned at the southern and eastern portion of the Rizal, as well as the Ridge School, to provide as medical assistance and ambulance transportation for the casualties. And EMT2, AMBU2, you are assigned on the southern part and Ridge School to also provide ambulance transportation and possible casualties on that area. AMBU 3, you are assigned at the triage area to provide medical assistance and ambulance transportation for possible casualties. Rehabilitation group, where are you? You are assigned at the Ridge School here. ET1 reconstruct school buildings at the Ridge School. MET1 to provide continuity of education to affected area children's. Service Vehicle 1 to provide transportation at the Ridge School. EM1 to provide and assist raising and lowering debris and other landslide portions of the area. Clearing group, where are you? You are assigned at the Main Street Bridge here. PT3 for securing the area. ET2 to reconstruct the bridge. EMT2 to assist in raising and lowering debris. AMBU4 and EMT3 to provide medical assistance and transportations for casualties. Relief group, where are you? You are assigned at the southern and eastern part of the Rizal to provide essential needs. PT4, safety and security of the area. FE1 provides transportations of essentials as needed. FF3 as backup personnel in giving relief goods for the affected residents. That's all for your assignment. For other concerns, please refer to your 204 form and you can approach me personally. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. For the safety briefing, let us have our safety officer, Arnold Portugal.
Good morning, responders. Safety Officer Porsche Portugal. For safety measures, please check the ICS Form 208. Wear PPE during the operational period, and all responders will be allowed to join the operational without PPE. Second, flag and isolate any hazardous area that you can mitigate and report immediately. Third one, be careful of the aftershocks, two-tank cover hold, and proceed to the evacuation area. And watch out for fallen debris. And lastly, always work in pairs, by the system, and yet stay hydrated. Thank you.
Thank you. For the logistics concern, let us have our logistics section chief, Jonel Matic.
Good morning, responders. For our incident communication plan, kindly refer to ICS Form 205. And for our medical concern, please refer to ICS Form 206. And for other logistics concern, please approach me after this briefing. Please don't forget to bring water with you. All the requested resources have now arrived. Thank you.
Thank you. For the financial concerns, let us call on our financial section chief, Igna Ana Dimco.
Good morning, responder. I'm in charge in record time of service rendered by personnel, equipment, monitors, consolidate and report procurement status, responsible for concerns such as property damage, injury, and etc. With my team, we have here to extend our assistance. Thank you.
Thank you. For our information plan updates, let us have our Public Information Officer, Mark Lester Escal.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Mark Lester Escal, Public Information Officer. We have already issued an official initial press release. We have also set up a media in the command post. Please refrain from giving out interviews or of any unofficial information to any media personnel. So I repeat, please refrain from giving out interviews of any unofficial information to any media personnel. Kindly direct them to me or to our press briefing room. Any information, official communication should come from Public Information Office or to me. You can also contact us via our PIO hotline number 0908-222-2222. Thank you.
Thank you. To provide updates on our agency representatives, let us call on our liaison officer, Ace Jerome Gonzalez.
Good day. My name is Ace Gonzalez and I am the liaison officer of the incident. I am here to coordinate, communicate, and the collaboration between the incident command and external parties such as BNP, DOH, and LCD. Let me know how I can be of assistance.
Thank you. To give her closing comments, may I call on our incident commander, Marie Irene C.
Good morning, responders. As your incident commander, I thank you all for your dedication and hard work in managing this challenging earthquake incident. I want to emphasize the importance of maintaining our focus on safety and coordination as we begin our efforts. I will be providing regular updates on this as the situation evolves. Stay prepared, stay safe, and thank you again for your exceptional commitment to managing this incident. Let's keep up the good work and continue to respond effectively.
Thank you. So that concludes our operational period briefing. For your breakout room assignment, SRR group, you may proceed to room 216. Medical group, you may proceed to room 115. Clearing group, proceed to room 411. Rehabilitation group, proceed to room 117. Our next operational period briefing shall be conducted tomorrow, 6 in the morning, in the same venue. You may now turn on your communication devices and thank you so much. Thank you very much for attending.
Okay, thank you so much. Palakpakan naman and group photo. Palakpakan